Buddha experienced. How he experienced? If you say it cannot be experienced, Mahavira did not experience it. Did he experience or not? So why can't you experience? See, one point. If one Tenzin Norgay could climb Everest, it means anybody can go and climb. Yes or no? If one person can become Bhimsen Joshi, anybody can become Bhimsen Joshi? Anybody can become, yeah. Who are your sincerity should be there.
Hi Masters, Patriji Vegetarian ಚಾನಲ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.